Hey everybody, it's Tosharaenailed, and I wanted to go ahead and post this for you. I have got a little tutorial for you for Easter nails. They came out so pretty, so I wanted to share. Right now, I am just adding my protein bond and getting the nails prepped. And then we're going to get straight into the nail art. We're going to be using several different colors of pastel polishes, and my polishes are going to be from Madam Glam. And you can always go to madamglam.com and check out all the colors that they have. If you would like a discount code, I have one. It's all capital letters, TOSHA, the number 40, and that will save you 40% off at checkout. Okay, so I'm starting out with just applying a little bit of blooming gel here. That's just gonna be to kind of help my different colors kind of meld together. I'm working with is going to be a baby blue that is called Blue Caraco. Then I have a purple, it's Healing Glam, and a yellow called Corita, a green color called Springtime, and a light pink called Lotus Forever. No, Lotus Fever, sorry. And then on top of these colors that I am blooming out here, we're going to add glitter bells in cookie cream. It's a real milky light pink, and I'm going to put that on top just to kind of fade out those colors just a little bit. I'm going to rotate those pastel shades in quarters on each nail, and we'll just kind of make sure that they all meld together really well. And then I'll apply a layer of my cookie cream on top. Then we'll shape everything. If we need to go back and just spot check some spots that maybe we removed too much of the color, then I'll do that. We'll lay one more layer of our cookie cream on top and do our chrome. So easy peasy, really. Not difficult at all. It took me a little bit of time, more so though on just prepping her nails and shaping what we had, but otherwise it goes pretty fast. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you do like it, if you would please hit that like button and make sure that you're subscribed. Share it with a nail lover friend. We're almost at Easter, and I hope you guys have a lot of good plans, fun plans for this weekend. We're not doing anything too special. We're just gonna kind of relax and take it easy. To assist these colors in their melding process, I'm going to go ahead, just take my fine liner and help them out a little bit. Anywhere that looks like maybe it doesn't have color yet, just going to spread that around. it's now time to add our cookie cream builder, and that's by Glitterbels. And I'm just going to kind of put a good sized dollop on here, make sure it's got my apex where I want it, and spread this over the colors on each nail. I know this builder gel really likes to run, so I'm going to go ahead and just zap it into place for like 10 seconds and move on to the next finger. And if your builder gel just doesn't seem to be settling exactly where you want it, you can always take your little fine liner and just kind of help it along, help it run to where the areas where you want it to go. And yeah, I don't worry too much about the shape right here, because we are still going to file these after this round of builder gel is applied on each nail. And then we'll go back in with a really light layer of our cookie cream just as a final finish. And then we get into our chrome, which is the best part, I think. It's the most fun for sure. Already shaped my nails. I went ahead and shaped them off camera, and I'm just going to add my final thin layer of builder gel on top just to kind of soften those colors up a little bit more. going to clean these up with a round of alcohol and apply my chrome. And guys, I did not film, or actually the phone did not film my chrome application. So I am so sorry. But I do have the final outcome. I'm going to show you what they look like. And this is just for the layer of chrome on top and, of course, top coat. And that is it. And I think that they came out beautiful. They are really pretty and very Eastery. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.